ashes, I put it on they asses. I'm back from the dead with the dead, but dash is the fastest. Swerving through traffic, no worry, I'll catch 'em. I'm currently distracted, attractive, bad bitch, trying to get waxed like my hashes. And if you crash an old pussy caskets, and don't get gas. And if you clutch, just know these blunts won't get past. I put the guts in the open back. Why you toking that? Where your tokens at? This just ain't potent packs, this shit is choking gas. Simmer, who got the keys in the bimmer? Who see police in the mirror? Who do my 3 speeds on the highway? Beast Coast where they won't stop till my day.